Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been joined by Juliet today because we're away. Last night we were sat down having a couple of glasses of wine, as you do, and we got chatting about the caravan and various other things, and Juliet came up with a topic which we sat and discussed, so we're going to discuss it with you. And the topic is
there such a thing as the perfect caravan setup? Because we'd been doing round the site and we'd seen how other people had set their caravans up, and we had some that had from a caravan to a full-size awning, then had a sun canopy, then some had a gazebo. So we were saying is the difference between different caravans, different way people caravan, the different way that we caravan, because at the moment, because we've stripped it back, we've just brought a sun canopy, table and chairs, so washer, the dryer, and it's very little actually. We don't have a kayak anymore, and we just had the teppanyaki, so that's been brilliant for us this trip. So it was really stripped back, but for us on this trip, yes it is. But when we take Alfie, it wouldn't be suitable. And we also said then, well, you know, depend on your family. So then we were chatting about, you know, because we do product reviews.
Yeah, we do. As you know, we do product reviews on the channel. The product reviews we do, just to explain them a little bit, is they're not there really primarily to sell them to you. The idea is we find something different, hopefully, to talk about and show you. If it's something you wish to purchase, then that's great. But really, it's a video of what's available out there to us and you, so it can make either our life easier, or it can make our caravan experience a little bit more pleasurable.
Well, yes.
So that's how we do it.
Yes, because like I said, it's the sun canopy works for us when it's just me and you. But we don't have a dog now. Les and Carol, they have said they have a pet, and actually the pet's called Alfie, surprisingly.
Yeah.
And they have to have an awning so that, you know, they have somewhere that Alfie can go that is in and out of the caravan. And he said it's secure, he can't run out anywhere. So that's why they need one. Then if you've got a bigger family, you might need an awning for a sleeping compartment, which we saw a lot here. They've got sleeping compartments attached onto a full-size awning.
Yeah.
So this is what got really...
There's a lot of real estate. Having said that, the pictures here are very big. But the other thing is, I mean, we were at the show a while back, and it's not been for a while, and I decided that it'd be a really good idea to get ourselves a new and a larger windbreak. So I went and purchased, got in a bit of a sale at the show, a windbreak from Isabella. Really nice. And I'll be honest with you, it's never been out the bag. We've never taken it because it was too bulky and it was slightly too heavy, and we always never had the right setup of a pitch to actually use it. In fact, some places have banned them anyway. And I was thinking to myself, I've bought this and we've not really used it. So I got in trouble for buying it in the first place. Anyway, long story short, I've sold it now. We never used it and we never will use one. We're quite happy with what we've got and how we set up. However, as your life changes and also your lifestyle, I mean, me with my knackered knees, things change, and you adapt your caravanning to your needs, I suppose. So can you really have the perfect setup? I don't think you can.
No, I don't think you can, because I think everything evolves, things change, new products come onto the market that you might think, you know, that's perfect for us now. We're not taking the children anymore. We don't need a full-size awning. It's too heavy, it's too big. So we'll go down to something else. So everything evolves and everything's changed. So
it does. I mean, even caravan layouts do, don't they?
Yeah.
I mean, some people first start off with like a two-berth without a fixed bed, and as they get a bit older and creaky like me, they move on to a fixed bed. It all depends on lots of factors, really: circumstances, finances, health things. It's all them things all factored into one, and they always obviously change as you progress. So yeah, I'm not convinced there's a perfect setup, and for that reason, that's my point of the argument, and I think Juliet agrees.
Yes, I think I do, because that was what I was saying last night. Was, oh yeah, we've got the perfect caravan set up at the moment, and it was like at the moment, and that's what got us chatting about it all.
It did, yeah. So what we'd like to hear from you is in the comments, is let us know what you think of this little subject, and also if you'd like to share your perfect setup with us,
That'd be great.
That would be great. Please feel free to do so. But on behalf of Juliet and myself, we'd just like to say thank you for watching this little chat video, and we hope to see you again soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.